Hi everyone. Hope you're all doing well. I'm Miss Angela and today I'm here to read you a story called I Love You Through and Through and Christmas Too. And it is by Miss Carolyn Jane Church. And let's thank her and Scholastic for allowing us to read this book. Now let's get started. I Love You at Christmas. Shopping and wrapping, making and baking. Smiling and eating. I love you when you are laughing and giggling. Hugging and snuggling. Who do you guys like to hug and snuggle with? Caring and sharing. I love you with bells and wreaths. Garland and trees. With ribbons and bows from your head to your toes. I love you because you are patient and kind. Merry and bright. Helping and giving. I love you through and through. Yesterday, today, and at Christmas too. Thank you guys for watching, and check out Miss Alicia on Tuesday, December 7th. She'll be reading The Mitten.